Hi guys, here is the review of AI Wealth Mission. Are you an online entrepreneur seeking to take advantage of artificial intelligence? The easiest way to make money with AI. Over 250 business ideas you can start with the help of artificial intelligence so you can make more money with less effort. Harness AI to generate income 100% UV friendly, no tech skills required. Start your AI assisted business in less than an hour. Leverage AI technology for quick and easy profits. Are you looking for a way to make money without breaking a sweat? Well, you are in luck. AI Wealth Mission is here to help. Our guide will provide you with over 250 business ideas that you can use to automate your process with AI tools and boost your income almost like you had your own AI robot. With AI Wealth Machine, you can learn how to profit from AI-enabled solution and multiply your earning potential. Our guide will show you how you can automate process, streamline your business, and make profits fast. Plus, our guide is written by an online entrepreneur with over 25 years of business experience, so you can trust that you are getting the best advice. So why wait? Stop wasting time and unlock the power of AI with AI Wealth Mission today. Join thousands of others who have already taken advantages of AI technology to skyrocket their income. Don't miss out on the opportunity to boost your income with AI automation. Click the button below to get started. Making with AI is as easy as step 1, step 2, step 3. Ready to unlock the potential of AI and start AI assisted business? AI Wealth Mission is the ultimate guide to leverage AI technology to jumpstart your earnings and fill up your bank accounts. Ready to unlock the potential of AI and start AI assisted business? AI Wealth Mission is ultimate guide to leverage AI technology to jumpstart your earning and fill up your bank account. With our guide, you can easily choose a niche, pick an AI tool to do the heavy lifting work, and within hours be on your way to paying off your debts. Step 1. Add AI Wealth Mission to your cart. This guide will provide you with over 250 business ideas that you can automate with AI tools to do the hard work for you. Step 2. Read through the guide and pick a niche that interests you. We have over 250 business ideas. You could start less than an hour. You are secure to find one or more business ideas you will be excited about. Step 3. Start leveraging AI to make fast profits. With AI Wealth Builder, you can use AI technology to automate process and save time. Relax and let these use AI tools to grunt work for you. It's time to unlock the life you have always been dreaming of. Imagine a life without a burden, worrying about debt next month, rent, and mortgage payment. Think of a life of freedom. This is the ticket to the life you have been craving, but only if you take action right now. Make more money with less efforts using AI. Make more money more easily. With the latest trend in cutting edge AI technology, you will have the power to automate process and make your business more profitable. Get your very own AI robot to do work for you. Choose from over 250 business ideas and leverage AI tools to supercharge your income stream. You don't need to be a tech genius to use AI. AI Wealth Mission simplifies the process and make it easy to understand. Stop wasting your time and energy on tedious tasks. Automate the hard part and generate revenue quickly and easily. Here is some of the feedback we received from our readers. VV Lapinia. I am so impressed with this guide. It's incredibly comprehensive and provides an individual amount of information. It's a huge time saver for researching and comprehensive complication of ideas and tools. It's absolutely invaluable. As a confirmed letter, I found Darrell Langston AI Wealth Mission, a guide easily understandable and refreshing in its clarity. I am someone who needs step by step information on all things concerning computers, so I appreciate the guide layout explaining everything from creating business profiles and logos to selling voiceover impressions to tracking results. Not only does it suggest married income opportunities one might undertake using this AI process, but it even offers strategies and lists the specific tools to help. For me personally, as a writer, I could believe the potential job possibilities related to the written word that one might undertake and the clear path laid out to actually achieve the goals. From the desk of Darrell Longton, dear friend, my name is Darrell Longton and I started my business in 1993. Over the years, I have launched multiple business, some of which are very successful and some weren't. But in every business I have started, I have always sought to find new ways to work smart, not harder. That's why I am fired up. That's why I am fired up about what AI technology has to offer. It's finding a way to reduce the amount of work it takes to run your business and makes life easier. Introducing AI Wealth Mission. Get up your business and running in no time with this guide to starting an AI assisted business. It is designed to help entrepreneurs for any experience level, newbies and professional alike, to quickly and easily set up an AI driven business. 86-page guide includes over 250 business ideas, use case description with the recommended strategy of leveraging AI tools to massively accelerate your income. Earning example of what people are making on Fiverr. Earning example of what people are making on Fiverr. List of recommended AI tools to use to streamline your business. Purchase now and receive this bonus. Bonus one, database over 200 AI tools, value $997. Bonus two, exclusive member only email updates, value over $997. Bonus 3, AI video creator, value over $997. Bonus 4, zero to entrepreneur, picking the perfect business ideas, value over $475. Bonus 5, go where your customers are, marketing your business on the internet. That's total value of $3,641. Are you wondering how much it will cost for the life changing opportunity? The value of the AI Wealth Mission guidebook is easily worth $3,641. This is actually cost we incurred throughout the entire process of researching. This is the actual cost we incurred throughout the entire process of researching and writing this guide and creation the bonus product. We are not going to charge you that much because we want to give you the best shot at creating successful AI assisted business at the lowest cost. Today you can have the access to AI Wealth Mission Guidebook and all the bonus for just $97. For a product that can change your life and build a successful business is very a good deal. But hold on, for a limited time only, we are giving an opportunity for the price of a couple of movie tickets. That's right, skip a night at the movies for an opportunity that could change your life. This is one of the best investment you can make in yourself and your future. This price you see below is just a special introductory offer at this discount price will increase in the coming days without notice. So act now and grab it now while it's still at the lowest price possible. Are you ready to change your life today? If your answer is yes, what are you waiting for? Simply click the button below and get started. They also provide a 30-day double money back guarantee. So if you want to make money without working harder, you can purchase this product. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus.